Hello, dear student. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am also fine. Thank you. So, dear student, today is lecture number 11 of crystal field theory, and this lecture distribution of dx electron. We studied about crystal field theory, distribution of dx electron. In previous lecture, we start tetrahedral complexes application. This is the one application of crystal field theory. How crystal field theory can be applied to tetrahedral complex. So, I we studied about tetrahedral complex in previous lecture. So today in this lecture we will study about distribution of dx electron in tetrahedral complex. I already told you that in tetrahedral complex there is only, sorry, in tetrahedral complex and tetrahedral complex there is only high spin complexes possible. High spin complex means unpairing will be occur. unpairing will be Unpairing will be dominant. Unpairing will be dominant. It means that Horn's rule will be applied. Horn's rule will be obeyed. Is it right? Is it clear? And tetrahedral, what is the reason behind it? That why only high spin complex will occur? High spin complex occur if whatever you can use the weak ligand as well as you can use strong ligand. But in both cases, whatever you use, weak ligand or strong ligand, your product will be high spin complex and tetrahedral phenomena. And tetrahedral, okay, what is the reason behind this? The reason is that because in tetrahedral complex, the splitting is not enough large like in tetrahedral in octahedral complex. It is because the ligand, the T2G, has not enough interaction with a ligand like an octahedral complex, that they have interaction with ligand there, because there was due to the effect, the ligand are approaching towards central metal ion and the way of EG sets, while here is T2 set is the in between set, in between us axis. So that's why there is no effective interaction with the ligand. The ligand have no effective interaction with central metal atom. That's why their energy is not be enough, their energy difference will not be enough more like the in octahedral complex. So that's why the when the energy difference, when the delta t is less, when delta t is smaller, when crystal field splitting is smaller, so electron will be first unpaired. The electron first will be unpairing. After that, when when all orbitals are singly paired, after that the pairing will be start, like Horn rule. It will obey Horn rule. These are the concepts of uh, o- these are the concepts of dx electron tetrahedral complex. So how can you draw the table or graph for this complex? Student, today I am little busy, so today lecture will be short. In next morning we will study more. Okay, how can you draw the system if there is dx system and there here is distribution of dx electron into T2 set as well as E sets. While E is energy load, so first E set, first we write E set where T2 is second, while the configuration is configuration configuration in the form of T2GP, T2P, or you can write that EP, EP plus EP plus T2Q, where here is a N. where n is a number of paired electron. Here n mean number of unpaired electron. N mean number of unpaired electron. So how can you be right that? So let if there is D1 system, if there is D1 system, D1 system, here electron will be go into E sector while T2 will be empty. So configuration will be like that: E1 T2 0. The pairing energy will be equal to number of unpaired electron will be 1. For D2 system it will be like this: T2 will be empty, so E2 T2 0 will be here is 2 unpaired electron. In D3 system, according to Horn's rule, first all orbital will be singly paired, so electron will go into T2 set. So E have 2 electron, T2 has 1 electron, so the total unpaired electron is 3. Similarly in D4 it will go into T2, 2 electron will be going to T2, so it will be equal to T2 E2 T2 2, or the number of total unpaired electron is 4. Similarly up to D10, at similarly D4 D5 and D6 will be like that. D6 and D5 one electron will be go here, and D6 the first electron will be singly paired. After the one remaining electron will be go into E, so that's why E will be 3, T2 has 3. So totally unpaired electron is 4. There is 4. Similarly like that, after D10 system it will be like that: all electron will go into first orbital will be singly paired. After that pairing will be start and all orbital will be completely paired, so E4 T2 6 will be found. So here is a zero system, here is zero number of unpaired electron. You can also calculate spin number. I'm writing here where spin will be like that. Spin will be equal to, let take the board here. Okay, spin will be equal to n divided by 2. If spin is equal to total spin will be equal to resultant spin will be equal to n divided by 2. So in case of first, n divided by 2 will be equal to 1 divided by 2. In case of D2 system it will be equal to 2 divided by 2 will equal to 1. In case of D3 system will be 3 divided by 2. Resultant spin will be 3 divided by 2. In case of 4 system the resultant spin will be 2. Similarly, in case of D5 system, resultant spin will be 5 divided by 2. In case of D6 system, resultant spin will be equal to 2 again. In case of D5 system, D6 system, the resultant spin will be equal to 3 divided by 2. In case of D7 system, resultant spin will be equal to 3 divided by 2. In case Similarly, in case of D10 system, resultant spin will be equal to 0 divided by 2. Resultant spin will be equal to 0. Is it clear? So these all are about today lecture. I hope you will be cleared easily. And next lecture tomorrow or next evening or coming evening we will be studying about crystal field stabilization energy for tetrahedral complex. I hope you will be cleared. These all are about today lecture. Okay, you can take screenshot or you can rewind the video. Oh, I hope you will be cleared. Thank you, student, dear student. Please support me, help me to support it. Make me happy that you are liking my video, that you are comment on my video. It make me motivate to to do some best for you in next in coming future. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel. It also make me feel happy. Okay, thank you. Best of luck. Be read. Bye. Best of luck. Thank you. If any question, comment me and ask me in comment section, please.